Top 8 answers on the board. Name something a fed-up wife might stuff into her snoring husband's mouth. Dawn.
Pillow.
Pillow.
A sock.
Sock.
We're gonna play.
All right, Natalie. Something a wife might stuff in a snoring husband's mouth.
A towel, Steve.
Towel.
Towel.
Jeff, something a wife might stuff in a snoring husband's mouth.
Her hand.
Hey, Ladina, something a fed-up wife stuffs into a snoring husband's mouth.
Her breast. It's up there, Steve. Cause she tired, so she gotta go to sleep. And it's just cause she gotta go to sleep. She's fed up, she's tired. Yeah. So it's like, let me just give you what you so you could go to sleep. Yeah. It's not supposed to be a nasty answer.
Well, it's not a nasty answer, but if you do that, though, you do know he ain't snoring no more.
Problems get solved.
And if you did it because you sleepy, you gonna have to wake up now.
It's true. It's true. It's up there, though.
Put the breasts in his mouth. Hey, Janine, something you might put into your snoring husband's mouth.
How about cotton balls, Steve?
Cotton balls. Hey, David, something a wife might put in a snoring husband's mouth.
A blanket.
Yeah!
A blanket. Natalie, we got 2 strikes. You gotta be careful. Morris family can steal.
A snoring device.
Yeah!
A snoring device. All right, guys, here we go. Name something a fed-up wife might stuff into a snoring husband's mouth.
We're gonna go with water. Hope that'll up there.
Water. Number 8.
That's hard. Wow.
7.
Donuts.
2.
Your ass on YouTube. Your whole damn family on YouTube. Your whole damn family gonna be on YouTube. This about to be on YouTube.
I'm gonna end up on YouTube.
Oh, my dear gracious.